Hello everybody and welcome to my 30-second VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to pass multiple values into a function. So it's quite simple. It's similar to the way that you would declare multiple variables. So let's say we want this to take a second string. You put a comma in your parentheses and then just type out the declaration of one. So let's put a string 2 as string. And similarly to variables, you have to put the variable type after each one, and then you just have to make sure you put the bival before each one as well. And the reason for that bival will become very clear in the coming tutorials. So now it's asking to take two strings, so we need to put two strings in here. So I'm going to pass it the first string. And then I'm just going to get rid of these because I don't want it talking to me all the time. That's just going to get annoying. So get rid of the message boxes and then call side function. And then I'm going to pass it the string. And then we put a comma here. And you notice it's quite usefully giving us the prompt the same way it would on a normal keyword. So it's recognized that side function's there. And it's telling us what strings we need, what parameters we need to pass it. So we need to put in string 2. So I'm going to put I am being given to string 2. Done. And then we can just use that down here. So let's just message box out the first string and then message box out the second string. And then let's just press play on this, so play, and then I have been given a value in the main sub, and then I have been given to string 2. And you can keep going as much as you like, with pass as many values as what you like. I don't know if there is actually a limit. If anyone does know, then please put in the comments. That can be your homework for after this tutorial if you wish, finding out whether there's a limit on your number of parameters. But you can, as far as I'm aware, I've put in like 10 sometimes, I think is about the most I've done. So, and also they don't have to be strings, so they can be any data type you want. So you can pass any kind of variable, or as you should call them, objects, through into a parameter. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I'm going to give you a few examples of passing in different variable types, and I'm also going to show you how you can get these functions to throw back values. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.